morning folks, it's Randy, my name is Trams, and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is a kind of a travel slash on a different channel type of vlog. I know the thing what I'm saying. So, because I'm hoping we will have a guest slash partner of, or my partner who runs a channel with me. We might be meeting up today, meaning it's going on that channel as well, including this one, James Eccles Transpennine Vlogs. And then it goes on to J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show as well, as because I will be having Morgan with me today. Anyways, it is Thursday, the rest of the date will be in the description down below with everything else as well. That's information about today, the last daily vlog. If you're watching from James Eccles Transport Vlogs, it doesn't show on J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show. Other channels what we run, social medias, and the 5 cents, all that good stuff. Links will all be in the description. If you want to read them out yourself, you are more than welcome to do that. So, and it is, I've been up since about 7:50ish. Before my 8 o'clock alarm, but I was still laying in bed after 7 o'clock when my 7 o'clock alarm went off. And it is 08:45. Focus. Why are you not focusing? Oh, something will work, but it is 08:46 now. So, plan of action for today is, I'm just trying to put you up here. Yeah. You don't want to stay. Let's make a tripod, shall we? What's not sturdy. So, as I said, the plan of action for today will be reaching out for a little bit until I think it is before 10, so I can have a cup of tea. I'm about to check the bus times now, so I can let Morgan know what bus we'll be getting on, if I can find it. So, other plan, so we'll be going up to say Sean's to play trains, and today it's going to be all new because I'm taking both my 68s and the Mark 5 set, and that's it. Unless Morgan's taking his or not, I've taken his as well as his locos. I don't know. 10:15 will be 10:45. I'll message Morgan and see that's what we're getting. Anyways, we will be getting 10:45. I can't spell. Anyways, I got it all packed. But no, I will do a review on that. And I've got my 268s in my bag, ready to go when we set off. So I'll be running them in, doing a load of videos. I felt we're more having a modern type of theme today, with my locals and Morgan's on what still runs to this date, if that's making any sense. So yeah. Anyways, what else? I will be coming back here afterwards and just be checking out, probably just adding information onto, well, I need to do the vlogs. And then go from there. Plus I need to number and date them, as well as I will show you. I'm not going to turn the camera around at the moment until I get it on. This is what I need to do. This is going back from July, the 7th of July. So let's get the full screen in, shall we? From there, that's the top. Scroll all the way down to that one. What is from the Thursday the 3rd of August. Plus then I have some of these. That's going up to just after the 11th. Oh, this is when I was going to went down to Loughborough, and it was a party that Saturday night because Sunday I was working. So I got up to that weekend, and then I've got more in to here from over the 17th and the 18th, or Friday the 18th of August. Plus I got those to do, and what I got from over the last couple of days. So yeah. So that's what I need to do next. But anyways, on that bombshell, I get on so I can grab myself a cup of tea, and then around 10 o'clock be set off, and I'll speak to you when probably get to Shaw's, or we're stood at the bus stop, but we'll see. Okay, so enjoy your day.
Right, the saving group, I'm quite happy to leave you guys here while I just go up to the supermarket and look after the place, can't you? Yeah, it saves you a bit of hassle, doesn't it? Just coming.
Alrighty folks, we have Morgan and we have Sean.
Good morning and welcome, or should I say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, as it's gone after, I'll make it 12:48 on my watch, so about 47. So today we are running in at the Sport 5 with the 68 and with the other 68 as well, what actually came with the carriages. And the one what's with the carriages at the moment is actually mine, what I bought from Loughborough with Sir Sean and with a couple of his friends the other weekend. So I tried it in the inner track and it didn't work as well. So I tried it out with the outer track, which works perfectly. Can I add anything, Sean?
Well, it's a real pleasure to have these on the layout. It's always nice having visitors, and it's great that James has been able to build such a good collection of Transpennine stuff so quickly. A little bit of attention needed to them, I think, but once that's completed, he's going to have a cracking set.
Yes. Can I add anything, Morgan?
No, not really.
Okay.
Good unit. Good modern smartphone for James for once.
Good talk.
Yeah.
So, as I said, just running, having some trains running in. We're probably getting Morgan's train out shortly. Don't get your HSC out on the inner.
Can do.
And there we go. And have a couple hours of running trains. We'll be having food shortly. What will be a pizza. And then after that we'll be setting off a few hours later. Yeah. We've got here after 11:30, about 11:30ish. So we've not done too badly. At the bus we had street light from basically Hillsborough to Chapeltown, and then Enviro 400 from Chapeltown to High Green. Then we walked up to Sean's. Just at the 68 first, as you can see here with Morgan in the background. There you go. That's one of the other one with just on running on its own as well, and then the man perfectly from now on. Same way of the coaster stop as well. Probably the only thing what I need to do now with the set is to put the destination blinds in, but that's going to be something else. That on that I'll get on, so I can have it natter and get more videos and stuff like that. I'll speak to you all in a bit. Alright, I haven't brought my camera today as my normal camera what I use for models, but I'm using my Canon today, so that I can film a bit. So enjoy your day. doing that, guys. I swear, stop doing that. Anyways, I hope you are doing well, guys. I'm doing okay. Let's get everything over and done with first. Let's do it. Time. It is 21:17. There you go. And the cup for this week until Sunday. There you go. So yeah. Anyways, what have I done today? Got up, got ready, start a vlog. Well, got up, got ready, computer, started the vlog, and then got computer, got computer for a bit, set off, gone for, well, won't meet Morgan at the shop, at my local shop, and then we went down to Sainsbury's, or didn't go into Sainsbury's. And then done the bus, what was number, if I can remember by heart, 39105, what is a street light, what we call street light. Probably some of you guys from UK has got these buses on there, in your cities and towns. But for us, as Sheffield, we have two bus companies, but there are 3 different types of depots, I think. Was it 2 depots? 2 companies, 2 depots, just for Sheffield, I think. I'm not counting. I've done that from basically from this end, Hillsborough end, to Chapeltown. Did number 1, what was 19149, I think. I'm just getting it up on my phone now, so yeah, 19149 on the number 1 from Chapeltown to High Green. And then go up to Sean's just before, go around 11:30, chill out for a bit, got my models out, turned the 68s out, ran them in first, then we got the Mark 5 set out to put that in. So, hold on, guys. And then try to think what else. Then got try to sort out the 68s and which one what will work and what does not. At the moment, the one what I got from Facebook Marketplace, what came with the Mark 5 set, I would be running that around, at the moment, I think light engine. but the other one, that can go with the one what I bought from Loughborough a couple of weekends ago. Will be with the Mark 5 set from now on at the moment. And then it does its thing. And then go from there. I have something to eat. What was takeaway, pizzas and hot wings and a drink. I've actually brought the drink home with me. That's going to be for later on tonight. It actually looks like, let's say, be 1 second, I'll just need to sort the cat out and I'll speak to you all in a second when I come back. In 1 sec. And we're back in the room. So, what else I've done? We have food, as I said, we had takeaway pizza. I think it was about a 16-inch pizza shared of 3 of us, and Sean's got 2 boxes, one for his tea tonight / tomorrow. Anyways, playing more trains there on this afternoon, and then packed stuff up, and then basically made our way back. Got the 418 down from High Green to Chapeltown, formed of 39101, and then got down to the bottom, waited for the bus, what was there but wasn't boarding people up yet. Then we did the 39109 from Chapeltown to Hillsborough, and then basically walk back here, or back to Middlewood. And then after that, I came back here, chilled out for a bit, and then had tea, and then job's gunning. Anyways, next thing, one second guys. I should actually just ignore people while I'm talking to you guys. Next up we have got can 631 and 632. Please come forwards for your personal shoutouts. And that was two shoutouts, but I don't know who you are, so whoever you are, please come forward, or you can get me on social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. That's my Facebook group, but private me on there. Say that you're from YouTube and this is the number of subscribers you are, then I will give you a shout out. Jobs are good. Then after that, no, there's comments as well. Thank you to, I'm going to say your first name, Adam. That's your YouTube name, but you're at, I'll just call you Adam. You are put, this is on, 2 people put on this, basically a comment on the same video. Nice bus, and that was from first Sheffield 37535, turns down left lane with a 98 service to Totley Brook, and it's same to Big Jonathan or Jono or Jonathan Haig, a work colleague and an old college friend. I think, was it college? I can't remember. Or was it school? It was Sam from school. I think John was from college, I think. And thank you to John who's put very good on the same video basically. So yeah. But anyways, on that being said, I will get on. I probably have gone over the 10-minute mark here for you from the last clip and this clip. So yeah. So tomorrow it is a trip up to my nan's. After my nan's, probably come back here and just chill out for the rest of the night or rest of the day and do some editing like over a week. But anyways, on that being said, I'm going on. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new around here, my name is James. I do. Ow. If you're around here, my name is James. Everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's a little information about today, the last day of the vlog, my social medias, that's Instagram, my Twitter and my Facebook group. Other channels what I run, that's James and Grace Vlogs, the J&M Transport Chat Show, all the guys, and other channels are going on because my batteries were going. Be happy. Bye.